If you need to change your GoDaddy account password, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can reset your password safely and get back into your account without any confusion. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the GoDaddy Help Center. This is where GoDaddy keeps its support articles and account recovery tools, so it's the best starting point when you need to reset your password. Once you're on the Help Center page, look for the search bar at the top. Click inside it and type password reset. Then review the results until you see the option that says reset your password. Open that article. Inside the article, you should see a link that takes you directly to the password reset page. Click that link to continue. On the password reset page, you'll be asked to enter your account information. You can usually use either your username or your customer ID, so type in whichever one you have available. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. This may involve checking your email, confirming a code, or completing another security step depending on your account settings. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember, and ideally use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols for better security. After you save the new password, try signing in again with the updated login details to make sure everything works properly. And that's it, you've successfully changed your GoDaddy account password. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and check out the next video for more easy step-by-step walkthroughs.